Hello viewers, now in this video I'm going to take you through my new Renko Trading Lab, but before that just a quick reminder for you all. It's Wednesday 21st here. This Saturday 24th 3 PM UK time we've got the annual Renko Trading Masterclass. Tickets are still available. Put them in the description below, link to, so you can follow that and join up. Why should you be there? Well, it's got everything you need. It's not just Renko. I call this like a Renko business blueprint. The idea behind it is we take a small account and show how you can progress up the ladder through to trading independence. And on the way, I'll give you all my tips, tricks around Renko, quantitative theory, statistical analysis, portfolio management, using options, stocks, FX, crypto, how to pass and beat the funded trading challenges. It's all thrown in there, 3.5 hours. If you can't get there, don't worry. It's all recorded. You get that recording and you also get the slides too. So like I said, in the description below, the link for you to join. Love to see you there on Saturday. But first of all, let's get into the new Renko Trading Lab and I'll explain to you what it is all about. So the Renko Trading Lab is an idea I had that's built off the back of the Renko Masterclass. Now, from last year's Masterclass, there was a lot of questions and people wanting to see what I was up to in my Renko trading after that event. So I thought, why not put it into one place and create a Renko Trading Lab? Called it the Renko Lab. You can see that on the screen there. Again, I'll put the links to that if you're interested in joining up into that. But what it essentially is, like I said, is the feed from the Renko Masterclass. You don't need necessarily to go on the Renko Masterclass. If you're confident and happy with your Renko ability, feel free to join anyway, but it does help. And if you can't make Saturday's Renko Masterclass, the recording will be available also to purchase at a later date. But the Renko Masterclass is built up from a small account and getting you towards trading independence, and in between that there's a whole ladder, a process that you need to go through to get there. And inside that there's a lot of trading strategies, a lot of ideas, tips, thoughts, suggestions that I'm putting out there, spreadsheets, documents, tools, resources, that are all going to be covered off in the masterclass, but will also be available in the Renko Lab afterwards. But even better still, I'm going to take up the challenge from going from a small account to trading independence, and I'm going to basically journal that, and that's what the Renko Lab is all about. So I'm going to start with funded futures, move up for all those Renko strategies until we get to a level where if you've been watching and following me and joining me for the ride, hopefully you've achieved that too. Now, on top of that, I'll be producing weekly and monthly information that you can use for your trading. So on a weekly basis, for example, we've got what I was doing on the YouTube channel, which was a weekly Renko futures market look ahead for hot sort of ideas in that space. Also got scans, AI scans that I run. They will be done weekly, monthly in there to produce stock lists. We've got monthly feedback on dividend strategies there in Renko. Like I said, we've got the spreadsheets, the tools, everything is in there. Plus I'm going to put down in there my trades, what I've been doing, my journaling, my thoughts and tips to help you steer through that journey. That's what the purpose of it is. It's, you come on the masterclass, you leave, you're excited, you want to progress, but you're still wanting a bit more there to get you through that finish line. Well, that is what the Renko Lab is all about. If we quickly scroll down through the page here, it tells you all you need to know. Like I said, what you get, let's just summarize it again. You get the Renko Futures week ahead, you get stock and options screeners, some really cool AI stuff in there as well. You get my journey results and trade journal, monthly stock option screener, portfolio build progress and learnings. You get the docs, the spreadsheets, the rules, the filters, the watch lists, the whole lot. It's all in there. What the Renko Lab is, it's a private execution feed, documented process you can learn from and apply in your own way of trading. It's not signals, it's not copy trading, it's not buy this now, trade calls, it's not DM access in. It's me, projecting out to you what I'm doing, essentially proving the case of the Renko Masterclass that we're running this Saturday. You can see the schedule of output that I will be producing over that period of time, and the cost. It's only £15 a month, and you can cancel anytime, or you can get it for £150 for a year, so basically giving you 2 months free. There's some FAQs there as well, and I'll put a link to this page in the description below that. Easy to sign up. Like I said, if you've been to the masterclass, it does help because you'll understand more about what I'm producing. But, like I said, you don't actually have to be there. So who is the Renko Lab for? It's for anyone, say, with a small trading pot who wants some structure around what they want to trade in 2026, some guidance there. Anyone who wants to build a trading business, looking to go solo on their own as a trader, as a new enterprise for them. Traders who want to see how and what I do in my trading. It's also great insight into what I get up to, and also you want some accountability through sort of documented results, then this is there for you. And also don't forget the Renko Masterclass this Saturday. Links in the description below. Just a few days left. We've got 3 days till we get there. I'd love to see you there. So if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. It all helps the channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and notification buttons as well. And that's it from me. So I hope to see you on Saturday.